moving downward. The force came under attack from the GJM Mahila wing supporters as they were pelting stones on to the forces. The force was retreating now. The force is again moving down to douse the situation. You can see flames burning, and also tear gases have been fired here to tackle the situation right now. The force is charging right now, and it's moving again back to Pathlebas to disperse the crowd. It's a complete chaotic situation right now here in Pathlebas. Stones being pelted, as you can see. Number of tear gas shells were fired to douse this particular situation, but the situation remains so tense that seems to be far from over right now. Huge police forces that was retreating back are moving towards Pathlebas once again. Heavy stone pelting here in the area. With video journalist Sudhir Roy, Taposh Sengupta for News X in Pathlebas. Bombs are being hurled, and one particular vehicle have been torched. The smoke billowing from there. It's a very, very chaotic situation. SP were targeted from there, and now the force have gone out, all-out attack onto the GJM supporters right now. It's a very chaotic situation. Force was retreating back, and the force have been completely surrounded by all the sides. The CRPF in action. CRPF is moving up, and the senior IPS officer Shivani Singh, she's leading the counter-insurgency force. It's all-out attack between the Gorkha supporters and the police force and the CRPF right now. As you can see, bombs are being hurled. You can see the noise. It's a very, very chaotic and traumatic situation right now. With video journalist Sudhir Roy, Taposh Sengupta for News X. না ফাটেনি চলো পরে চলো আমি ওই জন্য বলছি নিচে এসো না জল আছে জল 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 He has been hit with a stone here right now. Side. From this side. Okay. This is situation. Okay. This is a very chaotic situation right now. How Vijay even got hurt in stone pelting.
Okay, further inputs there from our correspondent Tapas. Tapas, as you sent us these reports, they are a clear sign that the media on target as well with the stone pelting there. As you played out this report that one of our video journalists having been hurt in stone pelting as well. Remember.